In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders is increasingly common, whether for personal remittances, freelance work, international business, or simply the convenience of holding multiple currencies. Wise, formerly TransferWise, has emerged as a leading platform for simplifying these international financial operations. Think of opening a Wise account as initiating a project. It requires planning, execution, and attention to detail to achieve the desired outcome. A functional hub for your global financial needs. This video will guide you through the process of opening a Wise account, breaking it down into manageable steps, much like a project manager would approach a new undertaking. We'll use simple language and focus on clarity to make the process easy to understand for anyone, regardless of their technical or financial background. Phase 1. Project initiation, understanding the scope and benefits. Before diving into the how-to, it's essential to understand the why. Why might you need a Wise account? What are the benefits that justify the effort of opening one? Reduce transaction costs. Traditional international money transfers often involve multiple intermediary banks, each adding fees and potentially using unfavorable exchange rates. Wise aims to minimize these costs by using a direct, transparent approach. Real exchange rates. Wise prides itself on using the mid-market exchange rate, the same rate you see on Google. This transparency ensures you're getting a fair deal when converting currencies. Multi-currency management. A Wise account allows you to hold and manage balances in numerous currencies, making it ideal for individuals and businesses dealing with international transactions regularly. Local bank details. You can obtain local bank details in several major currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, allowing you to receive payments in those currencies without incurring international transfer fees. Convenient transfers. Sending and receiving money through Wise is typically faster and more straightforward than traditional bank transfers, often managed entirely online or through a mobile app. Debit card for international spending. The Wise debit card lets you spend your multi-currency balances like a local when traveling or making online purchases in foreign currencies. Understanding these benefits helps to define the scope of your Wise account opening project and reinforces the value of completing the process successfully. Phase 2. Project planning, outlining the steps. Now, let's break down the process of opening a Wise account into a series of logical steps, much like creating a project plan with specific tasks. Step 1. Accessing the Wise platform. Task. Navigate to the Wise website, wise.com, or download the Wise mobile application, available on both iOS and Android. Details. Ensure you are on the official Wise website or using the legitimate application to protect your personal information. Step 2. Initiating the account creation process. Task. Click on the Sign Up or Register button. Details. You will typically be presented with options to sign up with an email address, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Step 3. Selecting account type, personal or business. Task. Choose whether you are opening a personal or a business Wise account. Details. The information required and some features may differ slightly depending on your choice. For personal use, sending money to family, travel, etc., select Personal. If you intend to use the account for business transactions, select Business. Step 4. Providing basic personal/business information. Task. Fill in the required basic information. Details. Personal account. This usually includes your first name, last name, email address, and a chosen password. You will also need to select your country of residence. Details. Business account. This will involve providing details about your business, such as the legal name, registration number, if applicable, address, and contact information. You will also need to provide information about the business owners or representatives. Step 5. Verifying your email address. Task. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Wise. Click on the verification link provided in the email. Details. This step confirms that the email address you provided is valid and belongs to you. Step 6. Setting up your profile, personal account. Task. Provide additional personal details to complete your profile. Details. This may include your date of birth, phone number, and residential address. Ensure the information you provide is accurate and matches your official identification documents. Step 7. Providing business details, business account. Task. Provide more comprehensive information about your business. Details. This may include the industry your business operates in, the nature of your business activities, and potentially financial information. Step 8. Identity verification, a crucial step for security. Task. Complete the identity verification process. Details. Wise is a regulated financial institution and is required to verify the identity of its users to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with regulations. This typically involves uploading a clear copy of one or more of the following documents: passport, national ID card, driver's license. You may also be asked to take a selfie to confirm your identity. Follow the instructions provided by Wise carefully to ensure the verification process is completed smoothly. The verification process can take some time, so be patient. Step 9. Adding your first currency balance. Task. Once your identity is verified, you can add your first currency balance to your Wise account. Details. Choose the primary currency you will be using, e.g., your local currency. You may be prompted to deposit a small amount to activate your account. The available funding methods will vary depending on your location and currency. Step 10. Exploring your Wise account. Task. Familiarize yourself with the Wise dashboard and its features. Details. Take some time to explore the different sections, such as balances, where you can view and manage your different currency holdings. Send money, to initiate international transfers. Receive money, to set up local bank details in different currencies. Cards, to order and manage your Wise debit card, if available in your region. Account details, to view your account information and settings. Phase 3. Project execution, completing the account setup. This phase involves actively carrying out the steps outlined in the project plan. Ensure you have all the necessary documents readily available before you begin the identity verification process. Double-check all the information you enter to avoid delays or complications. Phase 4. Project monitoring and control, ensuring successful completion. Once you have submitted your application and verification documents, monitor the progress of your account opening. Wise will typically keep you updated via email. If there are any issues or if they require additional information, respond promptly to ensure the process moves forward smoothly. Phase 5. Project closure, utilizing your Wise account. Congratulations! Once your Wise account is open and verified,